Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the Beis backpack in black. So very excited to share this with you guys. This was kind of a impulse purchase. I actually bought it through Nordstrom. I normally purchase through Beis directly, as y'all know, but I really wanted to get it quick because I'm going to residency the first week of August and I'm leaving a few days early to do a layover in Denver with my best friend, and I really wanted to use this to travel. So my husband's essentially rubbing off on me, and so I've always been a tote person, big bag person. I still am, but like at the airport it's just so inconvenient, and I just love totes because I felt like I could put so much into them. They look nicer, but I don't know, during our last trip to Virginia I just saw how much easier it was for him to travel with a backpack. And I see so many people traveling with backpacks, and I was like, you know what, I've had my eye on the Beis backpack and I just never like pulled the trigger on it because I just wasn't, I'm not a backpack person. So this is my first like backpack. I have some like Loungefly backpacks, like collectible ones, but I don't really use them unless it's for something. I've never really used them for what they're supposed to be for. So yeah, long intro, but really excited to actually try this out and to travel with it. I've seen so many people use this backpack in particular for like weekend getaways, school, but you can really use this as like a good travel backpack, and that's what I intend on using it for. As y'all know, I got my Beis carry-on luggage in recently, so gonna be trying that out with this on my upcoming trip. I'm gonna do a separate video of packing both of these. That's gonna be in the same video though, so it's just gonna be a regular pack with me, and I'll pack my backpack and my carry-on. For those of you that are new to my channel, I am a carry-on only person. I don't care how long I'm gonna be gone. If I can't fit it in my carry-on, it's not coming with. And I've been getting better and better at packing, especially since I've been traveling so much more with residency, right? And like more frequently. And with everybody moving away. But with that, I've noticed too on this like past trip that we were on, I had my big Beis work tote, and that's a pretty, like, it's like the maximum capacity that you can use as a personal size item, and it can fit a lot. And I've noticed, like, even in residency too, I didn't use it to its full extent, and I went shopping. I brought a lot of stuff back, given I also sent some stuff up last time, but like I haven't been using it to its full like capacity, so I don't really need my personal item to be able to carry a lot. And I used to travel with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I feel like this is pretty comparable when it comes to like size wise. It's just very structured, so very excited to try this out. But we're gonna go into details. I'm gonna do first impressions and then share a few things that fit. I have my 15-inch laptop that I'm going to put in here. I saw that it's gonna fit. I want to see how it fits and want to share that with you guys, because if you have a 15-inch MacBook, then you know it's very hard to find things that fit your 15-inch MacBook and actually support it. So let's go ahead and start with the exterior and go over some details. So you have leather accents, which I really love. I love how like simple and minimal it is, but it's also very trendy, and it like really plays it up when you have like these leather pockets on the side. You have the details. The base is leather, which I like too, because you can like put it down, and I feel like I just would rather have this leather down here than like this material. You have this large front zip pocket, which also looks like it can fit a lot. And then there's organization inside as well. You have this large pocket, places to hold pens, and then you have a key fob, and then it's a pretty decent size. I want to say that this is about maybe 3/4 of an inch. Oh no, it's a full inch. So you can even fit like a clutch up here. That's what I think I'm gonna do for my upcoming trip, is I'm just gonna bring a clutch to use as my bag, and I'll just fit that in here. And so essentially like my purse. But you have that for easy access. And then what really drew me to this bag is that it fully opens, so you can just fully unzip it, and then you have full access to the entire bag. I loved this about this bag, just because it makes it so much easier when you're one, packing, but two, even like when you're traveling, you don't have to dig for anything. Like, right, I can lay this out in the hotel and I have access to everything. What I plan to use over here for is going to be chargers, and I'm probably gonna put like all of my chargers up here, and that's gonna save a lot of space by keeping it in here, because generally I have a different pouch in my suitcase, and so now I can just put all my chargers here. Miscellaneous items in here. I really don't know what I'm gonna put in this one, but I'll think of something. If I want to bring cosmetics, maybe I can put my cosmetic pouch in here, but I'll probably just put it over here. I don't need to bring books for my trip, but you can definitely bring books. I have my Louis Vuitton large ring or GM agenda right here, and as y'all can see, like, there's a lot of space in here. So with that large agenda, and then I'm definitely bringing my pouch, because you can also use this as a bag, but it also has important documents. Like, both of these together fit in here. You have compression straps, and that can hold everything down. This is really going to come in handy if you're trying to use this for a weekend trip and you want to pack clothes in here, right? So you can really pack this up and then use the compression straps to hold everything down and just travel with your backpack. This is considered a personal size item, so it will go in the seat below or underneath, and so that way you can fit a lot of stuff in here and have easy access to everything, which, again, really excited to try this out. As for dimensions, I just like jumped like 5 steps, but here's the interior. As for dimensions, this is 19 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in depth. So again, a lot of space. Something else that I really love is that it does fit your 15-inch MacBook Pro, and we're gonna try that out right now. But you also have this separate compartment that's padded. So you have your laptop compartment, and here's my 15-inch MacBook Pro. And yeah, it definitely, you could probably fit like a 16 or a 17 inch in here too. But you can also fit other items in here too if you'd like. So I'm just gonna, let me hold this up. So this is how it will look closed, but you can definitely fit in your second, like if you want to bring your work laptop with you, which I'm gonna have to do, or an iPad, or both. There's plenty of room in here to put all of those together and keep your tech items separated and protected, and at the same time it's easy to get to on the plane, which is something that I don't like about my totes. I have to put them in, and then I have to like take them out and like dig through them if I need to find anything on the plane. And with this, I can just easily unzip and pull it out. I don't have to take this out from underneath the sink when I'm flying. So very small things, but this is really like, accessibility is, I'm like all for it. So the convenience factor alone is probably my favorite thing about this backpack, and the fact that it's going to definitely be more supportive than a tote, right, carrying a backpack. So I'm looking forward to that as well. On the back, you have your padded, what are these called? Shoulder straps. And then because it's Beis, they always include a trolley pass-through. So that way, if you don't want to carry it on your shoulders, or if you're in a layover and you want to sit down, you can just put this on your suitcase and it'll be connected. And yeah, that is the Beis backpack. And again, I'll have a separate video. I just want to do a quick somewhat unboxing / first impressions and mini what fits, but I will do a pack with me that'll go into more details on everything that you can fit and how I'm going to use it on my upcoming trip. Other than that, I will have my Beis referral link below. It is a personal referral link. If you spend $100 or more on your first purchase with that link, you get 15% off, and then I get $15 in credit, which I use on the Beis website to buy things and then do these types of videos with you guys. And to the point where now I have a pretty full playlist of Beis items. But yeah, I really appreciate everyone who has used that link or uses it, because I really like being able to do these videos for you guys, and then also share how they can be used, and also just, you know, really appreciate it. So yeah, other than that, that is the Beis backpack, and that is going to be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.